Unlock powerful hidden Samsung features that improve battery life, multitasking, notifications, and search. Here's how to enable 5 of the best Samsung settings in 2026. Samsung phones include many useful features that are turned off or hidden by default. Enabling these settings can improve your overall experience, help your battery last longer, boost productivity, and make everyday tasks much easier. Let's explore 5 hidden Samsung settings you should turn on right now. Hidden setting 1. Protect battery. 80% charging limit. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Battery, then select Battery Protection by tapping the text instead of only the toggle. Turn the feature on and choose Maximum from the available options. On newer devices running One UI 7 or later, you may also see a slider that lets you confirm the charging limit is set to 80%. Keeping your battery from charging to 100% all the time helps reduce battery wear over the long term. If you usually charge your phone overnight or keep it plugged in for long periods, this feature can help extend your battery's lifespan while still providing enough power for daily use. Hidden setting 2. Edge panels. Next, open Settings and go to Display. Tap Edge panels and make sure the feature is enabled. Then select panels to choose which shortcuts you want, such as Apps, Clipboard, Weather, Tools, or People. Return to the previous menu and tap Handle to customize its position, size, transparency, and color. Edge panels provide instant access to your favorite apps and tools without returning to the home screen, making multitasking much faster and more convenient. Hidden setting 3. Dual Messenger open settings. Scroll down to Advanced features and tap Dual Messenger. Find a supported messaging app like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Telegram. Then turn on the switch beside it. Tap Install and confirm the prompt. This feature creates a second copy of the selected app, allowing you to use 2 different accounts on the same phone. It's especially useful if you separate your personal and work accounts. Hidden setting 4. Notification history. Open Settings, tap Notifications, then select Advanced settings. Choose Notification history and switch it on. Once enabled, your phone saves recently dismissed notifications. If you accidentally clear an important message or alert, you can easily check your notification history and recover what you missed. Hidden setting 5. Circle to search open settings, tap Display, then select Navigation bar. Turn on Circle to search. To use it, touch and hold the home button, or if you are using gesture navigation, press and hold the navigation handle at the bottom of the screen. When the search overlay appears, simply circle, tap, or highlight any text, image, or object on your screen. Circle to search lets you search instantly without taking screenshots or switching apps, making it one of Samsung's smartest productivity features. Thanks for watching. Try these hidden Samsung settings today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful guides.